In our series of Millionaires of Genesis, we've been talking about a lot of men, right? Other than the first symbolic millionaires, Eve, we've been talking about men who were millionaires. And we talked about Joseph, who was a billionaire. Well, guess what? Next Sunday, September 29th, we're going to talk about the first millionairess, Ruth. That's right, Ruth. Ruth lived a pretty, she went from rags to riches. That's right. She had a tough early life, but guess what? She practiced prosperity principles. She practiced the prosperity principles that the other millionaires had practiced, and she created a life of abundance. She becomes our first millionairess. So join me this Sunday, September 29th at 11 a.m. at the Unity Center of New York City to talk about that first millionairess, Ruth. I'll see you then.